Hey guys, it's me Liz here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, shut up, man. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Elizabeth, and today I'm gonna be unboxing something that my mom got in the mail, aka grizzly bear, aka you didn't hear that, okay? So you didn't see that. So let's just get right into the box and let's see what it is. Hey, the shoes. I really need freaking giant shoes. So it costs $9.98. Got my scissors here. What he thought it was something even more cool. Okay, how do we freaking oh, it looks like the freaking horns on my mom's head. JK. Gonna save me. Bam, I got these shoes. They're clean and they're size 8.5 because my freaking feet are super duper big. Oh, I don't recommend you doing that, okay? Especially when you have dentures. We got this, and we also got some wood paper because we don't even need that. And we also got another one of these and more freaking balls of paper because we don't need that. And they got blue soles, is like awesome. Bam. This one's the right one and this one's the left one, so I'm gonna be trying it out. Okay. You know what? So I'll just put it right here. Okay. They fit perfectly, dude. I told you my freaking feet are freaking ginormous. When they don't even look ginormous. I hate freaking tying my shoes because I don't know. Oh my god. No wonder I freaking hate tying my shoes. Bam. They feel very comfortable. I gotta show my sister. Oh. Where is she? I'll just wait. It's freaking awesome that I got these shoes that look freaking pink on camera, but they're really red in real life because it completes my freaking Lily costume. Oh! They look a little pink in real life, but it looks very pink on camera for some weird reason. And also got pink hair ties too, so. Red to smell. Butch.
I don't fucking know.
Come on. Check out my new shoes.
Cool. They do look pretty nice though.
It freaking completes my freaking Lily costume.
No, they're also into this. What happened? What did you put on your thing? Let's see.
That was a freaking short reaction. And this is my previous video that I uploaded the other day. I meant yesterday. Let me know in the comments down below if you actually watched it. Thanks for watching for this video. I hope you guys enjoy my new shoes. I promise I will open something a little bit better than this, but anyways, they're very comfortable and it completes my Lloyd costume, and I actually haven't completed my full term Lloyd costume because I can't even find one of my freaking long yellow socks, so I have to freaking wear these for like freaking 10,000 months or so. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video. Did I say that already? I don't even know. But anyways, like, subscribe, favorite, comment, turn on notifications, make it go ding ding, and pretty much share on whatever you can do so, and comment and stuff. So anyways, tack för det till det och hejdå.